Hello everyone and welcome back to another tips and tricks video. In this video I will show you that how you can DM in Twitter to a non-follower. Direct messaging someone whom you don't follow or they don't follow you back can be a bit tricky sometimes. So in this video I will be showing you a trick to just message someone who just don't follow you back or you don't follow them. First of all, go to your Twitter account and log in. After that, you have to find the ID of the person you want to text. Go to the ID of a specific person whom you want to text on Twitter, and after that, on the left side of the follow button, you will see a envelope button icon. Click on that icon and it will take you to the DM. From here you can start typing your message. Let's type a short message and then click on that blue icon to send your message. And here you can see the message has been sent to the person in DM without following them. Let me show you that I am not following this specific person. And here you will see that it asks me to follow them, which means that I am not following this person and still I was able to text him in the DM. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Cheers.